anything on. Hello? Oh, I think it's on. Hey guys, it's me, Lamar, and this is my first solo video on the Tiny Drive channel. This is amazing for me, guys, because last time I was here, I was in a trailer, and in that trailer, I did a wave check, which is, I'm just hiding my waves for later on, guys. You'll see them later. But I also did a 3 a.m. video, and I like doing 3 a.m. videos because they are very thrilling. And so I'm gonna be doing a 3 a.m. video today, and this is the best time to do a 3 a.m. video because we are currently in quarantine, which is not very good, but you know. But since we're in quarantine, last time I did a 3 a.m. video, I called Matthew at 3 a.m. and then he came to my house. I was super scared because he came to my house and he was in moose mode. Mooses are super scared, guys. So guys, today I'm gonna be calling the most dangerous person that you can ever call at 3 a.m. because they won't be coming to my house because we're in quarantine. So they're not allowed to leave their house. So we're gonna be doing that. But I'm not gonna tell you we're calling first because hold on. Oh, what's these? Oh guys, I just got a report. I just got a drip report. So we're gonna get into the drip report. Okay guys, we just got the drip report, and the report is we need a plumber, man. There's too much drip. Anyways guys, I think we should move on with the video. So let me get my phone and let's get into it. Alright guys, let's see my phone. What the notification? Let me see this. I have a test. It's a wave check. Well guys, we gotta check the waves. Well guys, those waves are insane, man. Anyways guys, I'm finally going to reveal who we are calling today. We are calling the banker from Deal or No Deal. So as you guys can see, we have the phone. If you look up there, it says 3 p.m. Yep, it says 3 p.m. You guys like my background? Banana milkshake? Yeah. So let's go into Snapchat. Yeah. Okay, so let me just text him. Let me see. Hello? Guys, I said hello. I said hello, guys. Look at this, guys. Just look at it. This might be reversed, but it says hello. Oh, that's an emoji! My durag! Whatever, guys, that's too important. Yeah, fresh wave, we're going drown, but who care? He said hello, question mark. Yeah, let me say something, guys. This is my car. No, is that you? I'm shaking. He says on my nose. He's typing. Wait, my name is Frank. Guys, he says his name is Frank. What the freak? He said his name is Frank. That's so weird. That's such a weird name. Now, are you known? I said yes, guys. I said yes. Why is that? Oh, he's typing, Guys, I'm actually so scared. This is so scary. I thought someone else was my car. Sorry about that, guys. It's just a very scary situation. I can't find my bandana anywhere. I just got very scared and I messed up my waves, but at least we got the wave check done already, so.
Hello?
Is this the banker?
It is.
What?
Is this Noel?
Yeah, I grew a mustache.
Is this new season of Deal or No Deal?
Guys, I think there's a new season. Is there a new season?
Oh, that's what I'm asking you, like.
Could you just give me some money?
Oh yeah, so it must be a new season. So how many red boxes and how many blue boxes do you have left?
26 each.
There's only 22 boxes in the whole game, 11 each.
I have 6 reds and 9 blues. 69.
Do they still have the 250,000 and the 100,000 and the 75,000?
Yes.
Okay, now we might be in for something here now. So if my calculations are correct, I can give them £100,000. How's that sound? Deal or no deal?
Deal. Can I have the money now?
Alright, here you go. I'll just show you the proof that I have the monies here now. Here's the money in my house. Here it is.
You have money?
Here's the money. Yeah, there's money. Woo.
Oh wait, can I just say one thing?
Yeah.
I'm actually not known. This is Lamar Wilson. Oh.
That's not me. I'm not banker.
What?
No. I'm a banker. I am a bank.
Guys, he's freaking out. He's dying.
No, I am not a banker. I'm Frank. Hello, I am Frank. Hello.
Guys, we got the best prank ever. That was the best video I've ever done. So guys, that's it for this video. Man, I just got so much money. Dough. I got money. I got dough. What the? Hold on, guys. Wait, guys, he's calling me. Crazy. I had to come right here.
I am so angry.
What?
That son.
What? I did nothing wrong.
I'm so angry, and I have cursed this video. So if the viewer does not like the video and subscribe to the Tiny Drive YouTube channel, there will be no more Deal or No Deal UK.
Wait, seriously?
Yes.
Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. Please. Come on, guys. You have to do it, or else you will be cancelled forever. Come on. He's going to quit the job, please. I love this show. Yeah, like the video. Please, like the video. Please, like the video. That's it, guys. Goodbye. What?
Go now, but be warned, the video is cursed.
He hung up, guys. This is crazy.